Now in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate a random number in PHP. So let's start. I already created the index.php page. To generate a random number in PHP, there is a simple method called rand, and it has two parameters. First, the starting range and the end range. So let's see, like I want a random number should be start from 100. Okay, so it should be between 100 and 200. Okay, just open in the server page. I've already opened. I'm using easy PHP devs development server to run the PHP pages, and refresh. Okay, I forget to echo rand generate a random number between 100 and 200. Okay, and then refresh. Here we go, we got the 124, and again if we refresh we got the random number between 100 and 200. Okay, so now if we want to generate a random number between 999, 100 and 999, so again refresh. Here we go, we got the random number. Let's consider if you want, there is a simple meaning that if you want the random number should be of 6 digits, so just give the like 6 digits. So I want it to be 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 1 2 3 4 4 5 6. Just give the 6 digits range. It will always generate a random number between these two range, and it will always be a 6 digit. So because we are giving the starting range and end range. Okay, so let's refresh. Here we got the 6 digit random number. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment on this video. Thanks for watching.